हॅलो एव्हरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत क्लास 10th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश पोएम 4.3 ओ कॅप्टन माय कॅप्टन. या पोएममधील मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूयात. मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्समधील पहिला क्वेश्चन आहे, व्हॉट इज द लोकेशन ऑफ बॅटलशिप? आन्सर, द लोकेशन ऑफ बॅटलशिप is near the port. Second, how are the people waiting to welcome the captain of the ship? Answer, the people are rejoicing and celebrating while waiting to welcome the captain of the ship. Third question, why is the speaker filled with grief? The speaker is filled with grief because his captain is fallen cold and dead. Fourth, in what state does the captain lie on the deck? Answer, the captain lies cold and dead on the deck. Now move on to English workshop. First activity, pick out from the poem all words related to ship. Make a list of them in a word register. शिप म्हणजे जहाज या शब्दाशी संबंधित जे काही शब्द या कवितेमध्ये आलेले आहेत ते आपल्याला पाहायचे आहेत आणि वर्ड रजिस्टरमध्ये त्यांची एक लिस्ट, एक यादी तयार करायची आहे. यामध्ये आपल्याला दोन दिलेले आहे, एक आहे पोर्ट आणि एक अँकर्ड. बाकीचे आपण लिहू. अँड दोज वर्ड्स आर पोर्ट, किल, वेसल, डेक, कॅप्टन, shores, anchored, voyage. Second activity, read the poem again and complete the following sentences. A, the captain lies on the deck dash dash, and the complete sentence, the captain lies on the deck cold and dead. B, the captain doesn't answer as dash dash. Complete sentence, the captain doesn't answer as he is dead. C, captain does not feel anything dash dash. Complete sentence, captain does not feel anything beneath the poet's arm because he has no pulse nor will. D, the bugle and flag are dash dash. Complete sentence, the bugle and flag are trilled and flung. Third activity, the poem has a direct reference to the assassination of President Abraham Lincoln on 15th April 1865 after the Civil War was won. Match the symbols or images in column A with what they refer to in column B. कॉलम ए मध्ये आहेत, फर्स्ट द शिप, सेकंड द फिअरफुल ट्रिप और वॉयज, थर्ड द पोर्ट, फोर्थ द बेल्स रिंगिंग, फिफ्थ कॅप्टन, सिक्स्थ अँकर्ड सेफ, सेवन्थ नो पल्स नॉर विल. कॉलम बी मध्ये आहे विक्ट्री इन द वॉर, बी द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ USA, सी United States of America, D, lifeless or dead, E, the deathly civil war, F, celebrating victory, G, peace after winning the war. आता आपण यांच्या जोड्या जुळू. फर्स्ट द शिप, तिची जोडी जुळते सी, युनायटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. सेकंड द फिअरफुल ट्रिप और वॉयज आणि जोडी जुळते द डेथली सिव्हिल वॉर. थर्ड द पोर्ट, याची जोडी पीस आफ्टर विनिंग द वॉर. द बेल्स रिंगिंग, सेलिब्रेटिंग विक्ट्री. कॅप्टन, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ USA. अँकर्ड सेफ, विक्ट्री इन द वॉर. No pulse nor will, lifeless, dead. Fourth activity A. The figure of speech apostrophe exists throughout the poem. या कवितेमध्ये ॲपॉस्ट्रॉफी नावाचा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच असल्याचं आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. पिक आउट लाईन्स वेअर द पोएट डायरेक्टली ॲड्रेसेस. अशा ओळी या ठिकाणी लिहा ज्या ठिकाणी कवीने प्रत्यक्षपणे संबोधन केलेलं आहे. कुणाकुणाला संबोधन केलेलं आहे तर ए. द डेड कॅप्टन. पहिली लाईन, ओ कॅप्टन माय कॅप्टन राईज अप अँड हिअर द बेल्स. सेकंड लाईन, हिअर कॅप्टन डिअर फादर. बी. द ग्रीप इन हिज हार्ट. फर्स्ट लाईन, बट ओ हार्ट हार्ट हार्ट. सेकंड लाईन, ओ द ब्लीडिंग ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेड. सी. द सी शोर. फर्स्ट लाईन, the port is near, the bell I hear, the people are exulting. Second, exult O shores and ring O bells. B. Find from the poem one example of each of the following. कवितेमधून खाली दिलेल्या फिगर ऑफ स्पीचचं एक एक उदाहरण आपल्याला लिहायचे आहे. ए. पर्सॉनिफिकेशन अँड द एक्झाम्पल. फ्रॉम fearful trip the victor ship comes in with object own. B. Alliteration and the example. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. C. Repetition. Example, but oh heart heart heart. D. Exclamation. Example, here captain dear father. E. Tautology. Example, my captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. Or again one example is given, rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills. F. Antithesis. Example, while follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. Fifth activity, फाइंड अँड आन्सर इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. शोधा आणि तुमच्या शब्दामध्ये उत्तर लिहा. ए. व्हॉट आर द साइन्स ऑफ द पीपल सेलिब्रेटिंग विक्ट्री. आन्सर, दे हॅव ब्रॉट बुके, दे हॅव डेकोरेटिव्ह रेट्स विथ देम, दे आर वेविंग देअर कंट्रीज फ्लॅग्स, दे आर साऊंडिंग द बगल, दे आर शाउटिंग आउट विथ जॉय, they have all collected to welcome their captain. These are some of the signs that they are eagerly waiting to felicitate their captain. B. The crowds on the shore are eagerly waiting to felicitate the captain. How? Answer, as the people saw the ship very close to the port, they felt that their captain is back, so they started shouting and enjoying to welcome their king. They wanted to felicitate their king for his great victory in civil war. C. What are the signs that the captain has passed away? Answer, the eyes of the people follow the steady keel of the vessel that appears serious and brave. The bleeding drops of red on the deck. These are some of the signs that the captain has passed away. D. Dear father, this arm beneath your head. Why do you think the speaker in the poem puts his arm under the captain's head? Answer, the speaker in the poem is in shock and is unable to believe that his captain has fallen dead on the deck. Overcome with emotion, he puts his arm under the captain's head to try and bring him back to life. E. Describe the grief that the speaker in the poem feels at the death of his captain. Answer, the speaker is happy about the victorious return. of the ship after difficult voyage. However, he is shocked to see that his captain lies dead on the deck. He feels sad and is in disbelief. He wants his captain to celebrate with the others. He is mourning the captain's death while others are rejoicing. Sixth activity, glance through the poem again to find who are the speaker addresses in the first two stanzas and the last stanza. The speaker addresses the captain of his ship in the first two stanzas. The speaker addresses the shores and the bells in last stanza. Seventh activity, feel the qualities in the diagram given below. खाली एक डायग्राम दिलेली आहे, त्यामध्ये आपल्याला क्वालिटी भरायची आहेत. डायग्रामच्या सेंटरला कॉमन क्वालिटीज आहेत. एका साईडला क्वालिटीज ऑफ शिप्स कॅप्टन आणि दुसऱ्या साईडला क्वालिटीज ऑफ नेशन्स लीडर. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला भरायचं आहे. तर क्वालिटी कोणकोणत्या दिलेल्या आहेत ते आपण पाहू. आणि त्या क्वालिटीज आहेत करेज, नेव्हल एक्सपर्ट, इंटेग्रिटी, विजनरी, कॉन्फिडन्स, ह्युमन, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, सिम्पॅथेटिक, लीडरशिप, फोरसाइट, knowledge of weather science, positive attitude, role model, selfless service, good administrator. Qualities of a ship's captain त्या आहेत करेज, नेव्हल एक्सपर्ट, सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन, सिम्पॅथेटिक, नॉलेज ऑफ वेदर सायन्स. क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ नेशन्स लीडर त्या आहेत लीडरशिप, फोरसाइट, पॉझिटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूड, सेल्फलेस सर्व्हिस, गुड ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, रोल मॉडेल. आणि कॉमन क्वालिटीज आहेत इंटिग्रिटी, विजनरी, कॉन्फिडन्स, ह्युमेन. एट्थ ॲक्टिव्हिटी, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग चूजिंग फ्रॉम द अल्टरनेटिव्स. ए, द राईम स्कीम ऑफ द पोएम इज AABBCCDD, ABCBDEDE, AABBCDED. आणि करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह आहे AABBCDED. बी, द लाईन रिपीटेड इन एव्हरी स्टांजा, ओ कॅप्टन माय कॅप्टन or fallen cold and dead, and the correct option is fallen cold and dead. C, the steady rhythm in the poem consists of a pattern of dash dash beats 3, 4, 5, and correct alternative is 3. D, in the dash dash stanza the speaker does not address the captain first or second or third, and correct alternative is third. The type of poem is dash dash because it is composed in the memory of a passed away personality. Sonnet, lyric, elegy, and the correct option is elegy. Ninth activity, the feeling of grief and pain of the speaker in this poem are comparable to those of a great Maratha leader. In spite of winning the battle at a fort in Maharashtra, guess who the great Maratha leader who was, and the captain who was killed in the battle. Write down other basic historical facts of the above. The great Maratha leader who was killed in the battle after being victorious like the captain in the poem was Tanaji Malusari. Tanaji Malusari was favorite companion of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj from his early youth, a man of iron will who had followed Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on all his historic battles. He was called in by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to drive out Mughals from Kondana. The lion-hearted Tanaji didn't get scared by the dangerous nature of his mission and took an oath either to finish it or to die trying. With 700 of his troops still at the bottom of the fort, he climbed the mountain and fought the Mughals all by himself. The long night march, the concern about the mission, climbing the fort, and the forceful fight with Udaybhan from Mughal army had completely exhausted Tanaji. 10th activity. The poem describes the sad demise of the captain. How would you console the son of captain? Write a short paragraph using the points given below, and the points are expressing grief on the death, an act of God, words or sentences giving strength and courage to face the situation. Add your own points. It is indeed saddening to hear of your father's sad demise. He led the ship with great courage despite the difficult journey. Victory is not sweet without his presence. We, as humans, are left helpless before this act of God. My words may not reduce your pain, but I hope that it gives you the strength and courage to face the situation. If you need any help, I will always be there for you. I am sure you will follow your father's example and make him proud. He will always stay alive in our hearts. 11th activity. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences. Title: O Captain, My Captain. Poet Walt Whitman. Rhyme scheme: AA, BB, C, D, ET. Figures of speech: alliteration, antithesis, apostrophe, hyperbole, inversion, metaphor, personification, repetition, and tautology. Theme or central idea. The theme of the poem is about the mixed emotions of the speaker at his captain's death on the ship when they return victorious after a difficult journey. The poem is a way to show the mixed feelings of the Americans at the death of President Abraham Lincoln after his army won the American Civil War. या ठिकाणी हा इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पूर्ण झाला. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्वच व्हिडिओज ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बाजूला दिलेल्या बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये शक्य तेवढ्या प्रमाणात शेअर करा. काही अडचण असेल, काही सजेशन असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल किंवा रिप्लाय द्यायचा असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.